Hello everyone, welcome back. We have already discussed about many operators. Until now, we have seen the arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, membership, and identity operators. Now we are going to see another important operators in Python that is called the walrus operators. Okay, it's called the walrus operator. Have you ever seen a walrus? Walrus is an animal. It looks like this. In Python also we have something similar to this one. It's called colon equal to. This is what this walrus operator. There is no bracket before and after, but this is what this walrus operator means. If I want to give an example, suppose you are writing an exam. You are writing an exam. Okay, teacher want you to ask calculate, mark, and check. Passed or not. Passing mark is 50. Passing mark is 50. If it is greater than 50, you have passed. What we'll do? Step one will do. Step one, calculate the mark. In the step one, we'll calculate the mark. In the step two, something, yeah, mark. In the step two, we'll be storing that mark in some variable. Store marks in a variable. In step three, we'll check pass or fail. These are the three steps we used to do in a usual procedure. Instead of that, what if we can combine this step 2 and step 3 together? Step 2 and step 3 together. First, we'll calculate mark. Then step 2 plus step 3. Step 2 plus step 3 it will do, and will give you the result, whether it is passed or not. This is what this walrus operator do. Let's go ahead and see this in action using the VS Code so that it will be clear. Walrus operator. Okay, let's take some simple example. Okay, this is the example. My marks, I have calculated the mark. Mark is 85. With the mark greater than or equal to 50, I am passed. Okay, passed. Suppose if the mark is 49, we can put some else condition. Else print failed. It's failed. Print failed. Okay, this is what it is doing. Let's take this first part only. Let's see whether we can keep this in walrus operator and how can we do that. If here I am going to do this condition, if marks greater than or equal to 50, we are giving walrus operator here. Here we are giving walrus operator and checking greater than 85. Here we are giving the value here right away. Marks walrus operator 85 greater than 50. We are checking the condition 50 here. Then print passed. In that case, see, it is saying as passed. Instead of this two-step process, in a single step, we have done this getting the value and checking whether it is greater than 50 or not. If it is greater than 50, pass. Otherwise, the else condition, otherwise failed. It's usually else condition. Okay, suppose this value is 45 instead of 85, it is 45. Then it is failed. This is how this walrus operator is being used. Let's go ahead and see a few more examples of walrus operators so that this concept will be more clear. Let's take another example. We used to take input from the keyboard and we will print something. Suppose I want to print my name equal to input. It is asking to enter the name. Once we have the name, it is checking whether this name has entered or not. That is if the name percent, if that condition is true, then print hello, comma, name. Just pass this one. Hey. Why it is taking too much time? Okay, I had to enter the name here. My name is Anu. Enter. Say it is a hello. Here we have to enter the value here. Instead of using this one, let's go ahead and use same using walrus. In Walrus, I'm giving this if condition. If the if condition is true, then print, just do a welcome, give a comma and give my variable I'm going to give us name. Okay, then here I'm going to pass this name. What is the Walrus operator? Colon equal to input, enter the name. Enter the name. I'm going to ask input, enter the name. If this is true, then it is going to pass here. Let's try to execute whether it is working or not. Okay. No, invalid syntax. Welcome. Yeah, this is wrong one. Oh, sorry. It's comma outside. Here I have to enter the name. Hello. Okay, welcome. I see in this Walrus operators, instead of saying this in variable and then passing to the if loop, I have just given directly inside the if loop. I have given this Walrus operator to get the variable into this variable name, that is name. Then we are checking the condition. If that means this is checking the condition. If true, then print this one. Let's go ahead and see second example. Let's go ahead and see another example. Let's go ahead and see the second example, random number. I want to generate a random number. Random number in the sense we need to import a random module. Import random. Okay. And usually what we'll be doing, number equal to random dot rand int. There we need to specify the range in between 1 and 100. It is creating a random number. Then we can try to execute this one. It is create a one random number. Suppose I'm going to give a condition. If number greater than 50, then print number. If this number is greater than 50, then it should print the number. In this case, suppose number, no, let's take it as print 75, once again 90. See, the value is less than 50. That's why it is not printing. It is not going inside this loop and printing. Let's see whether we can implement the same concept using this Walrus operators. Import random. If the condition, Walrus condition, if number equal to, suppose this condition, this is not the input, random dot rand int, the range 1, 100. So we have the number, and then we are going to check the condition 50. Now we have the number. If the number is there, it is checking that particular random number is greater than 50. Then print number. Then print number. See, at this stage, it was printed as 76. Before that, it was not generating the number. Once again, execute. Execute once again. Now, this is less than 50, so it is not executing. Run again. See, whenever it is greater than 50, then only it is printing it out. So, this is the Walrus operator. This is how we are using this Walrus operator. It's a very good operator. Initially, it looks like difficult, but once you start practicing, do 2 or 3 examples, then it will be very easy to understand. We can use them in real life. This is all about Walrus operator. Hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. As the next topic, we'll be taking maybe another important topic that is very interesting, that is called the bitwise operators. Little bit of mathematics is involved, so we are going to do this bitwise operators next. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day.